how big this is. They make rice out of it, or well, inside of it, when they have people coming over at weddings, or even during Ramadan when they're making really big pots for parties or celebrations. These are huge. Hello. How are you? Good. Where is this from?
From Egypt.
India.
Egypt.
Egypt?
Egypt.
So it's either from India or Egypt. What would you make with this? This is so cute. Look how cute these are. They're so adorable. And then this right here. This is their mortar and pestle. I think that's what it's called. It's really sturdy and made out of metal. Look at this one. Ceramic, I think. Thank you. This is for ma'mour? Oh, ta'miya. Oh, this is what they use to make, what is it called? Falafel. Falafel. And this is for mulukhiyah? Yeah. This is for ma'moud. This is for ma'moud. This right here. Really good. Okay, bye. Thank you. Hello. Can I go in? Look how cute these are. Look how big that is to make tea out of it. A little thermos. I love their little trays that they have. You can probably use them as decoration or place your jewelry on top of them. Every single store that I go in has this. And then these are really beautiful. This is from India?
Huh?
From India?
Bahraini.
Bahraini. Okay. Thank you. And look at their thermoses. They're all so beautiful and intricate. Look at these ones. These are traditional. Like the traditional style. And then these cups. These are really popular. They drink water out of them. This is for moya, right? Water.
Yes.
Yeah. So they drink water out of these. Oh, they have these little ravioli makers. That's really cool. Different shapes. And then this, I don't know what this is for. I think it might be for the ma'moul. Probably. Thank you. How much? Oh, okay. Hello. How much is this? The drum.
20.
20 real. And the big one?
This 55.
35. What's the material? The material. This قماش. وإيش هذا قماش؟
مو قماش جلد.
جلد. Okay, so it's leather. Leather. زي like this. Yeah, okay, so it's made out of like hide.
خروف ماعز.
خروف, no بقرة.
Cow.
Okay, it's made out of cow hide. And then these are loofahs. This one looks a little more sturdy. That's actually not bad for 5 and 20 real. And made out of leather. And then look at these. Oh, these are more, I don't know what this is. Oh, these are more drums, like plain drums. I guess you can get them in a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then these right here, these little placemats. I think made out of palm tree. His shop is really beautiful. Oh, you got more of these. These are for like the olden day, not mascaras, but eyeliners. So you put the little coal inside of it and use them as eyeliners. My mom has one of these. Well, not like this, but one similar to this one. So if you open it, let me show you. You open it, come on, I only have one hand available. See? And it has that. Oh, can you focus? Okay, and then you add the coal inside the hole here. And you just use it as a regular eyeliner. Okay, it's really beautiful. And then they come in different sizes. The little baby one, a bigger size, and then the biggest size. And these are little coffee pots, I think from Turkey. And then I don't know what you put. I think you put little perfumes, or not little perfumes, but outfit in there. Look at the straw hat. How much is this one?
The 1.5.
1.5? 15?
Yeah, 50.
15 real. This is so nice. 15 real. You can hang it on your wall. Look at that. You can hang it on your wall. And then you have this one. It's like the basket. The basket and its cover. Okay. And then you have these baskets. There's a whole bunch. I'm sure some lady made these. And then these little cute fans. And then these ones. So these kind of look like the ones that I have at home. My mom bought some of these back from Somalia. And then these ones look more traditionally Saudi because they have the Saudi material on the fabric. What else? What else do they have? These baskets. These are really cute. Oh, look at this one. And then there's a bigger one here. You can't really pick it up because they're all attached together. That's really nice. How much are these? Come هذا. سعر.
1.5.
All 1.5.
One?
One? No, one.
1.5.
One is 15 real. Who? مين هذا سوي?
Yemen, Jeddah.
Oh, in Jizan. And then this right here. Oh my god, this looks so nice. I'm loving this shop. Look at that. More smaller hats. This one? 1.5?
1.5.
1.5. They're all 1.5. So, I don't know if he's quoting me 1.5.
One? ريال.
Oh, one 5 real. Okay, so he's saying one is 5 real. And they're made here in Saudi, Jizan, in Yemen. You got more of these hats. He said these are 15 real. And then these little tiny fans. Oh, I'm in love with these. This one, how much?
1 ريال.
1 real. Oh my god, this is so cute. It's only 1 real. And then you got the medium-sized ones. And these baskets. This is a really nice one. This is really nice. Ah, look, there's a mirror on it. There's a little mirror. Oops. Look at that. It has a little mirror on it. That is so cute. Wow. And then there's another size. And then there's even more inside there. Wow. Look at this one. That's really nice. And it has a little tassels. And this, I don't know, هذا لإيش؟
ها؟ لا.
صحن, hot صحن. Okay, for like hot, like when you have like a hot pot or pan, you place it on top. So I don't know what it's called. Mat. Okay. Look, there's more. So similar to that, there's more of these. And then this little adorable one. Look. Oh, you guys, look at this. Look at this. This is so cute. Wow. And then here, like I can stay in the store all day. Wow. This is very nice. And then here you have the drums. Tambourine. Wow. Oh, this is like the violin. Made out of cowhide or camel hide. So you use it like that, I think. هذا ايش اسم بعربي؟ ربابة. Music. Yeah, okay, it's called rababa. It's called rababa in Arabic. He's saying Bado Rababa. From Jizan?
No, Najd.
Najd. Riyadh. Okay. Wow. And also cow. Wow, this is really nice. And this looks like the Egyptian drums. Tarabuka? Ah, drums, yeah. Yeah. Can I get you in this?
Huh?
Can I hear?
No.
Yeah? No?
No.
Okay. All right, bye. Thank you. Oh wow, look at these. These are clay, I think clay pots. Oh no, clay plates. I don't know what they use these for. Wow. Look at this one. This one, how much?
10 ريال.
10 real. Wow. This shop is really nice. What's the name, Dukan? Drive Jeddah. Okay. Thank you. Oh, this is so nice. Okay. Okay, perfect. Thank you.